Oh. Alright, here it comes. There it is. Wow. Alright.
Focus, here we go.
Not recommended, but it does the job.
Put it the fuck.
It's all done. The new one on.
Oh yeah, and I'm gonna be.
And that's all the O-rings and shit that need to be installed.
The O-ring.
So sheep,
Yep.
do you know what the torque settings are on these bolts?
No.
Not quite FT.
Ah.
There we go. Ready? Ready? Click. This radiator is the exact same as the e30.
From this view, it looks like you're just tipping it into the engine. Oh, all over the engine.
Whoa! Focus. Okay. Fuck me.
No thing.
Bitch. After the oil change, we came to Oceans Beach. Just walked here. Flying the drones, grabbing some videos and photography. Wait, where is it? Wait, where is it? I can't see it in the camera. Oh, there. Yeah. But yeah, oil change went mint. I'm not good at vlogging, so.
Kia ora.
Are we good if someone else holds the camera? But I mean, like, not while I hold the camera.
Let me hold it.
No, it's good. Oh, that's a nice photo.
Flying.